AC in T.
Days of the week. Do you know how many days in a week? Yes, there are 7 days in a week. Let's learn days of the week in Kannada. ಭಾನುವಾರ Sunday. ಸೋಮವಾರ Monday. ಮಂಗಳವಾರ Tuesday. ಬುಧವಾರ Wednesday. ಗುರುವಾರ Thursday. ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ Friday. ಶನಿವಾರ Saturday. Let's practice once again. ಭಾನುವಾರ Sunday. ಸೋಮವಾರ Monday. ಮಂಗಳವಾರ Tuesday. ಬುಧವಾರ Wednesday. ಗುರುವಾರ Thursday. ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ Friday. ಶನಿವಾರ Saturday. So kids, how many days in a week? Yes, there are 7 days in a week.
Subscribe Kids Entry and enjoy with Kids Entry videos.